Hello, my name is Jose Zuniga and I'm representing Expert Village. The water that is necessary. Another thing, don't forget, you got to weed your flower bed. Not only is it important because it's going to stop the growth of the plant, and we don't want that. Because the more weeds you have, the plant's not going to look pretty, and it's also going to delay the growth of the gardenia. Also, another thing that you need to do and keep in mind, don't forget to continue adding those grains of coffee. We got to maintain that acid level there at all times. If the flower, for some reason, the leaves start turning a little bit of yellow, that means that we need a little bit of acid. So don't forget that. Okay? Enjoy your garden, enjoy your gardenias, and this is how we maintain gardenias.